Hi everyone, this tutorial is to show you how you can fill your colour palettes with colour. So when you had your document, they were all grouped. So to ungroup them, you just click on Control-Shift-G or Object and ungroup up here, down here. So mine are all ungrouped. Excuse me. So you're going to get the selection tool now, and then you're going to get the eyedropper tool and just click on the colour. Then move across, select the next circle and eyedropper tool again, and so on until you have all your colours filled. If you don't have the same amount of colours, just remove the circles that you don't need, recenter everything and have it look presentable. Oops, that didn't look like it coloured very well. And finally that one. So now we have that. Now you want to be able to put in the CMYK colours. So if we double click on the palette down here, it takes you over here and see this window here. C, which is cyan, is 51%. Then magenta is 33%, yellow is 1%, and black is 0%. So then you'll get out of this, so you need to write it down. Then with the type tool, you'll go over here, click on that line there. So cyan was 51, just use the arrow to go across. Magenta 33, yellow is 1, and black is 0. And then with the selection tool, just with the arrow, move it along until that is pretty much centered under the arrow. And then you can go along and do the same with these ones as well. Now, I also said that I was going to show you how to put a pattern into a circle and create a mask so that it looks neater. So you could do that in, say, the square or these circles. So again, these are grouped. So Object, Ungroup, or Control-Shift-G. So now they're all ungrouped. So I'm going to put this is just to use as an example behind here. So see that sitting on top. What I need is the circle sitting on top of what I want to put in the mask. So Object, Arrange, Center Back, because I have that circle selected. Then I'm going to select the circle first, hold down the Shift key, so I'm adding to my selection and selecting what I want to go into that circle. And then Object, all the way down here to Clipping Mask, Make. And then with the direct selection tool, I can move it around in there and resize it. If that gets too difficult, it's really easy to just Object, Clipping Mask, Release. You have to have it selected though, so I select that. Object, Clipping Mask, Release, and then it takes it back. So you've got that. You can do exactly the same with this. Just make sure they're ungrouped. So you've just got one box sitting on top of your pattern and that you have the shape that you want your image to fit into sitting on top of the actual image. And that's all you need to do. So that's all done. Well done, everyone.